Today I want to talk about 1031 exchanges, and I know you probably, if you're looking at my YouTube channel, see that we did one a couple of years ago. So this one is dated January 16th, 2024. So this is important. 1031s are all about dates. Dates of when you need to identify the property, dates by when you need to close. So there is this little known thing that happens around this time of year that could really mess up your 1031 if you started it back in the last quarter of last year in 2023. And this happens every year. So what you want to know is that the 180 days in order to close the transaction on your 1031 is actually the lesser of. So it's the lesser of 180 days, or when you file the tax return that corresponds to the year in which you did the 1031. So what that means is if you were to have done a 1031 exchange around, say, you were supposed to start it, your 45 days, your identification period, and so you're in that 180 days now. If you were to have done that in 2023, but then your CPA is like, whoa, I got your tax return done February 1st, and you're like, don't file it, because you may not have already finished your 1031 exchange. So if you're doing a 1031 exchange and you're in the middle of it right now in that 180-day period, do not file your tax return until you have completed that 1031. Now, of course, be sure to extend. Yes, so just something to keep in mind. Now, we do keep hearing some rumblings that they're going to start to curtail the 1031. Several years ago, they actually did curtail it to only real estate transactions. Used to be for other things as well, and now it's only real estate. But I heard last year they were thinking about a $500,000 limit, but that didn't happen. So just to keep that thought out there, if you're thinking you want to do a 1031 exchange and it's something you're like, well, we could do it now, but maybe we should wait, you may want to do it now and just see how that goes. So anyway, I hope this is helpful. And again, you can go ahead and prepare your tax return. Just don't file it until you have done your 1031. And don't forget those extension due dates. Make sure you extend if you're not going to be able to file it, and have everything done ready. All right, hopefully this has been helpful. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.